In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an item and track inventory in Zoho Books, your full guide for 2025. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just looking to streamline your inventory management, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. First things first, head over to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your control center, allowing you to manage your finances, view reports, and of course, handle your inventory. Once you're there, locate the items option. It might be towards the side or the top, depending on your layout settings. Give it a click to open up the next menu. Now, when you're in the items section, find and click on the New Item button. This feature is typically highlighted or outlined to catch your attention quickly. It's your gateway to inputting all the necessary information about the products you're going to manage. Start by typing in the name of the item you want to create. Choosing a descriptive and specific name is useful, as it helps you easily identify the item in your inventory list. Next, look for the section to select the unit type. Unit type is essential for understanding the measure of inventory, whether it's pieces, liters, kilograms, or any other applicable unit. Moving on, you need to input the desired selling price of your item. Be careful and precise here. This price is what your customers will be charged for this item. Following that, select the appropriate sales account. This is crucial as it determines where the income from sales of this item will be recorded in your books. Next, input the cost price of your item. The cost price is the amount it takes to produce or purchase the item, and it directly affects your profit margins. Equally important, you should select the corresponding purchase account. This indicates where expenses related to purchasing this item will be documented. If you wish to track the inventory consistently, ensure you tick the box labeled Track Inventory. This function allows Zoho Books to automatically monitor the inventory levels of your item, making stock management significantly more straightforward. With inventory tracking enabled, proceed to input any necessary inventory details. This can include SKU numbers, minimum reorder levels, or preferred vendors. Filling out this information enhances your ability to keep accurate tabs on your stock. Finally, once you're satisfied that all the information is accurate and complete, go ahead and click the Save button. This action saves your new item to your existing inventory within Zoho Books, allowing you to start tracking its movements from this point forward. And that's it! With these steps, you've not only created a new item in Zoho Books, but you've also set it up for inventory tracking, meaning you'll always have your stock information right at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful.